Hello everyone. Can you talk about the place you visit? I hope to have your attention. The place is the college Chico, Dinamarca, and it's very close to Bogota, the capital of Colombia. There is very cold, and that is I will recommend you wear always warm clothes. In this place there are many places in which the history of the ancestor is reflected. Here I will show you some pictures that illustrate this great and among the recommendation terms can make instead of always carrying an umbrella because you do not come when it came suddenly. Here is the picture at Central Park. I love this picture. Brings my God memories with my brother. In this image, we can see a muisca province on place. This image shows the sides very high, nice photos. Here we see a typical zebra. This is a map of your ubication. The show in the capital center park. Thank you very much for the attention. See you soon. Bye.